Hello Madiskarte Moms! Magdadalawang taon na tayong working from home at marami na sa ating mga mompreneurs ang pumasok at naging successful sa buy and sell business, online selling at nakapag-open na rin ng kanilang online stores. Pero marami pang opportunities for online businesses other than buy and sell. Ito ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon. But first, hit like and share button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Madiskarte Moms PH YouTube channel for more videos like this. At kung hindi ka pa member ng ating community, join Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook. I am Joyce Yeo, and this is HOMEBIZ 101, powered by PLDT HOMEBIZ, enabling our Madiskarte moms with complete digital solutions with bigger and better Ascenso fiber plans. Earn better at home with PLDT HOMEBIZ. Pag sinabi nating online business, hindi naman ito limited sa pagbebenta ng inyong products online, reselling, at dropshipping. Wala ka pang puhunan? Don't worry, mompreneurs, because all you need to have are your skills, passion, Madiskarte attitude, and of course, a strong, reliable internet connection para sa 5 online business na ito. Number 1, virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative, customer service, social media, and tech support sa mga companies at businesses. So mompreneurs, kung ikaw ay highly skilled, organized, madetalye at mahusay sa time management at mayroong good communication skills, pwedeng-pwede sa inyo to. Pwede pang part-time or full-time with high salary at higit sa lahat work from home. So you will have more time for your family and kids. Number 2, vlogger YouTube channel. Mompreneurs, kung hilig nyo naman ay mag-post ng stories sa inyong My Day or IG Insta Stories at iba pa, bakit hindi nyo subukang mag-vlog? Trending naman ito at pwede nyo pang pagkakitaan. You just have to look for interesting topics na papatok sa inyong audience at dagdagan ng creativity at fun at siguradong bebenta yan. Pwede din kayo gumawa ng sarili nyong YouTube channel to showcase your vlogs at sumali sa mga established Facebook community gaya ng Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook and YouTube. Number 3, virtual tutor online teacher. Kung passion nyo naman ay magturo, you can offer tutoring services online to help students get back on track or ahead of their class. Pwede ding magturo kayo ng inyong mga hobbies. For example, ituro nyo kung paano magluto ng inyong favorite dish or kaya naman paano manahi or kung musically inclined kayo, pwede kayo maging voice coach. Number 4, personal trainer or health coach. Inspire your fellow mompreneurs to get back on shape, lalo na ngayon kakatapos lang ng holidays. Share your love for health and fitness by becoming a virtual personal trainer or health coach. Number 5, pro freelancing. Ikaw ba ay best in writing o kaya naman mahilig gumawa ng mga designs? Hilig mo ba ay photography or ikaw ba ay techie mommy na kayang-kayang gumawa or mag-design ng websites? Turn your hobbies into something that you can earn from the comforts of your home. When it comes to working from home, the possibilities are endless. Di ba Madiskarte Moms? Ilan lamang ito sa mga iba pang ideas for super low or no investment at all. All you need is your own skills, talent, diskarte, at PLDT HOMEBIZ with speeds up to 60 Mbps, backup Wi-Fi, unequals to PLDT, smart and talk and text, and complete online business tools para tuloy-tuloy ang pag-asenso ng inyong online home biz. If you like this content, don't forget to give us a like, share this video, and subscribe to Madiskarte Moms PH on YouTube. Hit the notification bell so you can be updated with our latest HOMEBIZ 101 videos. Until next time, I am Joyce Yeo and this is HOMEBIZ 101.